So hello friends, welcome to my channel Medicos. This is Soham Lee from Kolkata Medical College and Hospital, a final year MBBS student. And today we are going to discuss about the yellow fungus. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe this channel for further notification of further videos. So as we all know that post-COVID infection lead to many fungus like black, white and yellow. So as black fungus, which is caused by the mucormycosis, white fungus by aspergillus and candidiasis, and but the yellow fungus is not actually yellow to that fact. Okay, it is basically, it causes infection to some lesions and causes some lesions which are yellow in color. Basically, it's actually, the scientific name is Naningiopsis gorei. Okay, its genus is Naningiopsis and the species is gorei. Okay, and so let's start. And yes, and it is not very much virulent as like black fungus, but still it's virulent. Okay, so let's start about this thing. Okay, so what happened actually after black and white fungus? A case of yellow fungus infection has been reported post COVID-19. Okay, now which grows internally is said to be more dangerous than the other type 2. Okay, it is recommended to seek early treatment as soon as possible. Now, what are the symptoms of this yellow fungus? So first criteria, the first symptom is lethargy, weight loss, appetite. This is the main symptoms. More severe symptoms of yellow fungus can be sunken eyes or leakage of the pus. This fungus is said to be hinder the healing process of any kind of wounds, prolonging the process and delaying wound healing. Now, organ failure may occur in severe cases, in severe immunocompromised patients, and in some cases the malnutrition eventually leading to necrosis can even occur. Now, for the choice of investigation, X-ray or CT scan will be able to detect the causes of the fungus, the cases of the fungus, and something like what the conditions that lead to cause the yellow fungus. Okay, so yellow fungus can stay or can arise in humid conditions as like black fungus. It's very common for a fungus to grow. Okay, from high humid to old food. However, the primary cause is said to be poor hygiene. So we should maintain our hygiene as per. Now, getting rid of old foods, proper disposal of feces can be prevented, and this steps we should take. And humidity in a closed space should not be above 30% to 40%, and we should avoid high moisture environment because it promotes the fungal growth. Okay, the treatment. If caught at the right time, yellow fungus is treatable, as in case of the man who has been tested for the yellow fungus infection in Ghaziabad. Okay, now amphotericin B injection, which is the antifungal drug, is used in the yellow fungus treatment. So we come to the conclusion that there are currently that more than less dangerous, and most of these infections are being reported people with diabetes and those who had extensively used the steroids in COVID-19 treatment. So that's all for today, and all have a good day. Thank you very much. A very good night. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.